Minerva McGonagall lived in a small cottage at the edge of the magical forest. One day, she discovered a tiny seed in her pocket. This could be something special, she thought. So, she planted the seed in her garden, watered it with magical water, and waited. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Minerva tended to her garden every day, hoping to see something grow. One sunny morning, a tiny sprout peeked through the soil. Minerva's eyes sparkled with excitement. She couldn't believe it. As the days passed, the sprout grew into a beautiful plant with shimmering leaves that sparkled in the sunlight. Minerva was amazed. She had never seen a plant like this before. One night, as Minerva sat on her porch, she noticed the plant glowing softly. She gasped, and her heart raced. Could it be? Could this be a magical plant? She decided to take a closer look. As she approached the plant, it began to grow and grow, until it towered over Minerva's cottage. The leaves shimmered brighter, and Minerva could see tiny magical creatures dancing inside. "Oh, this is incredible!" Minerva exclaimed. She had never seen anything like this before. She couldn't wait to share her discovery with the magical community. The next day, Minerva took a train to Hogwarts, where she shared her story with the headmaster, Professor Dumbledore. He listened attentively, his eyes wide with wonder. "This is truly remarkable, Minerva," he said. "I've never seen anything like it. You must take care of this plant and ensure it doesn't fall into the wrong hands." Minerva nodded, happy to have shared her discovery. She returned home, tending to her magical garden every day, ensuring the plant continued to thrive. The plant brought Minerva great joy, and she was proud to have discovered such a unique and magical treasure. And every night, as she sat on her porch, she would watch the plant glow softly, reminding her of the magic that lay hidden in the most unexpected places.